Hi preschoolers, it's Mrs. Allison, and we are ready to start another week of distance learning. So we're going to take a look at our calendar. We are still in the month of April, and today is Monday, April 20th, and the year is 2020. And we don't have any birthdays in our classes this week, but on Wednesday it is a special day called Earth Day. And that is on Wednesday, April 22nd. And if you are taking a look at your distance learning this week, you will see that there are some activities and art projects for Earth Day. We're going to take a look now at our gumball machine. We're going to do some counting with our gumball machine. We did this at school on our smartboard, and we're going to try it here. So what we have to do is we have to count the gumballs. So help me count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. So there were 9 gumballs, and now down here we have to find which coin has a number 9 on it and put it in the gumball machine. So let's see. Is it this one? Is it this one? Or this one? Or this one? All right, let's take a look. If you said it was the first one, you are right, because that is number 9. So let's click on this one and see if it works. Check our answer.
Good job! There are 9 gumballs in the machine.
Great job, preschoolers. You found number 9. Let's try that again. All right, here we go. We have to count our gumballs again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now we have to find number 7. So down here at the bottom we have 4 coins. Let's take a look at our coins and see which one is 7. Well, last time we had number 9, so we know that this one isn't right because that's number 9. So we're not going to do that one. Let's take a look at this one. Is this 7? If you said no, you were right. This is not 7. This is a 6. How about that? Is that 7? No, that is not a 7, is it? What number is that? Right, it is 5. So this is number 7. Let's click on it and see if we are right. Right, we're going to check our answer.
Fantastic! There are 7 gumballs in the machine.
Great job, preschoolers. Let's try that again. Oh my goodness, look at all those gumballs. Do you think we can count all those gumballs? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 gumballs. That is a lot of gumballs. Well, we saw number 20 on our calendar. Let's see if we can find number 20 down here. So here is a number. We can take a look at this one. There's a number, and that one. So which one is 20? Let's take a look at this one. Is this 20? No, it is not. It is 22 because there are two twos. 22. Let's take a look at this one. Is this 20? Right. If you said that was 20, you did a great job. Let's just take a look at our other numbers before we put our coin in the gumball machine. This is not 20. This has an 8 in it. It has a 1 and an 8, so that is 18. And here we have 1, 9, so that is 19. All right, let's go back and put our number 20 coin in our gumball machine. Here we go. Let's check our answer.
You did it! There are 20 gumballs in the machine.
Great job, preschoolers. I hope you had fun counting gumballs with me, and I hope you do some counting at home this week. Have a great day. Bye.